Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys what I eat in a day. I keep my meals pretty standard, so I typically have the same thing for at least a week because I like to be able to prep all my meals, or at least all my protein and then the veggies and stuff like that. So this is typically what I'll have at least for the entire week. So for this week, a breakfast, we have an omelet. So it's 3 eggs. I did put some spinach, mushrooms, and grape tomatoes. And then we have bring a tablespoon of almond butter. And then we have a small Honeycrisp apple. Yeah, and that's breakfast. And then I do have just a black coffee. But pretty much that's it. Of course, a little bit of hot sauce, so some Cholula. And that's breakfast, you guys. So pretty simple. This is one of the only meals that I don't prep. And I think for our last meal, our fourth meal, I will be prepping that one just so that I can show you this. I've really been craving this like stir fry. So I think that's what we're gonna be having tonight. But this is one of the meals that I don't prep ever. I, just kind of cut up the veggies, whatever I have available. And then of course the eggs and then the apple. So pretty much what I'll be having this morning. See you guys later. We are back for lunch, and like I said, I meal prep a lot of my meals, so then we just kind of measure out all these things. But we have here kind of like a chipotle bowl, fajita bowl. So way down there we have a little bit of rice, about 50 grams, and then I have ground beef that's just seasoned with salt, and then Southwest chipotle seasoning. And then we have, I guess, fajita veggies that we make with onion, banana pepper, and then poblano peppers, roasted poblano peppers. Also gonna get a handful of lettuce. So we're gonna do a handful of lettuce. I'm not gonna weigh my lettuce. And I know, this is just like plain iceberg lettuce, so no nutritional value in this, but I truly just like it for the crunch. I think it adds like a nice little crunch in the meal, and it makes it feel a little more like a little chipotle bowl. And then just hot sauce of your choice. I make my own whenever we meal prep. So here's some homemade salsa that I made. It's just like habanero peppers, red árbol peppers, chiles de árbol, tomato, the green tomato, so tomatillo, cilantro, onion, garlic, and I think I just put like salt and then just water. So that's basically how I make it. Just add a little bit in there, and that's it. Sometimes I'll just have water. Depends on what I'm vibing with. Right now we're vibing with a little Coke Zero. This one's so good. If you guys haven't tried this one, I feel like this one is superior to Diet Coke. No shade if you love Diet Coke, but this one is really, really good. We are at meal number 3. And we make a little chicken soup. So it's a caldo de pollo. So I have some chicken. The vegetable choice is zucchini, which is a little too overdone because we meal prep this as well. We just reheat it every day. And then in today we have just white jasmine rice. Sometimes we have potatoes or jasmine rice. So that's the third meal for today. Hot sauce of choice for this is a Valentina. And then, why not keep it extra spicy? A little Tabasco scorpion sauce. And then topping it off with a little bit of lime juice. And then to drink, I do have this I drank half of it yesterday. It's a sparkling water, black raspberry. Got it at Sam's Club. It's similar to the ice drinks that you see. This is just the Sam's Club brand, but super yummy. Have half of it left from yesterday, so just gonna finish that one up. So I genuinely love all of my meals. They're all kind of different, and I really like this one, especially right now that it's super cold outside, because it's like a nice little soup, so you get a little warmth. And I don't typically like reheated chicken, but for some reason I like it like this. So That's why I keep this meal around. Let's do a little Valentina, or a lot. And then of course, the best. This is really good. You gotta like spicy food in order to like this sauce. Just some dashes in there. My mouth is watering. I'm so excited. I was already I'm looking forward to this. All right, so it is time for meal 4. We just got home from the gym and I am going to make a special meal. This is one of my favorites for every once in a while because like I said, I like to meal prep all this stuff. And this is one where the meat is meal prepped, but everything else I like to cook fresh just because I feel like the veggies just taste better fresh. The noodles taste better fresh. So we're gonna make a little teriyaki lo mein situation. You know, you'll see, but basically we got some ground turkey. I have another one, don't worry, this isn't it. I have a vegetable stir fry mix. So it just has like cabbage, carrots, broccoli, and some sugar snap peas, I think. Then we have the star of the show, the miracle noodles. These are in the fettuccine style. That's just what I have right now. So we're gonna do that. And then as far as sauce, we're gonna use this sugar-free teriyaki marinade from G Hughes. This dude has like a ton of sauces like this. He has like honey, he has like barbecue. He just has a ton and it's pretty good. I mean, for 1 tablespoon, which is typically what I will use, is 5 calories, 0 fat, and 1 carb and 1 protein. So not terrible. I do weigh it out. So basically that is it for our meal. We have this huge bowl and we're gonna just, you know, top it off our sriracha. This is the second time I filmed this. But basically that's gonna be our final meal for today. I typically, if I don't have this, if I'm not in the mood to prep this, I'll just have like the ground turkey with veggies. And typically it's like a Brussels sprout or a pico de gallo, maybe a little bit of avocado, and that is it. That's basically gonna wrap up what I eat in a day. I don't have any snacks. I just have 4 meals. They all have protein in them, so then I feel pretty satiated, pretty full throughout the day. I don't feel hungry, so I don't have any snacks. That's gonna wrap this video up. I hope you guys found some new meal ideas. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.